technologies in terms of business and also, of course, in terms of handling day-to-day transactions. CNBC TV18's Kritika Saxena caught up with Prashant Desai, CEO and MD of the company. She started off by asking him about the merger with NSCL and, of course, their strategy in terms of the legal aspects going forward.
I don't think government has stated anything like that. What we are principally saying is the fundamental, although on the grounds on which we are opposing all of these actions is very simple. We are saying we are a democracy. A democracy is ruled by the court of law. You are saying I am at fault, I am saying you are at fault. Who will decide who is at fault? In our view, the courts have to be decided. I am saying just be patient. If tomorrow it is proven in the court of law that NSCL is at fault and FTIL was aware of this and FTIL conspired with NSCL to do this fault, the courts of India will properly give us adequate punishment. Merge after that, change my board after that, freeze my assets after that. But all matters are sub judice. Nowhere is it been even proven that NSCL is at fault. Forget FTIL, and you are meting out these actions on FTIL. That's our fundamental problem. Our problem is not that we will not defend, we will not cooperate. I'm saying despite all this action, we have taken a view that we will still respect judiciary, we will still respect investigations, we will still respect every land of law in this country, we will still continue to be cooperative with every single investigative agency. Whatever information they want, even after 3 years, we will provide them. Despite what has happened with us, we will continue to be a respectable citizen of this country.
Okay. Help us understand then, the legal issues aside, help us understand how your markets are, because if I'm correct, the market share in terms of cash flows, in terms of the overall balance sheet has suffered in the last 1 year. Help us understand the impact on the balance sheet over the last 1 year and what are you doing to mitigate those issues to be able to sustain yourself in the next 1 year?
So, being a financial channel, probably you guys will be able to understand this better. So has there been an impact on our revenues because of the NSCL payment default crisis? Answer is yes. We saw majority of that impact in 13-14 and 14-15, where I believe our revenues would have come down by about 25 to 35%. But after that, we are now seeing stabilization that is happening there. But what is the biggest cost to FTL is? The biggest cost is opportunity cost. Today, if you look around the country and the way this country is developing and progressing, if you look at the way Digital India is moving ahead, the way digital ventures are taking place, we believe FTIL could be at the epicenter of this. Our ability to contribute from a technology perspective, from an IP perspective to this entire digitization can be massive.
Okay, well, that's the management of FTIL, but we need to actually take a break at this point in time with the news that the Nifty is absolutely flat as we speak. The Bank Nifty is about higher by around 0.6%. We'll take a break. Up next, we're going to focus on some